Wow, that makes a huge difference. Howdy guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome if you're new. So today I'm going to be showing you some stuff that I got from Grove Collaborative. This video is not sponsored or anything. They didn't send me the stuff. I bought it myself. But Grove Collaborative is the place to go if you need cruelty-free, natural cleaning products, beauty products, household supplies, basically anything. They've got like cleaning products, laundry soap, cleaning tools like scrub brushes and microfiber wipes, and they just started carrying beauty products, skincare, hair care. They've got like band-aids, anything you would want, razors. I'm trying to think of what else. There is just a lot on their website, and everything they have is cruelty-free, and it's not all vegan though, so check on that, but most of the stuff is vegan. And they're trying to be plastic-free by, I think, 2025, which right now they have a lot of plastic-free options already. So it was nice to see a store with their house brand being cruelty-free. There's a lot of places that's not the case. They have a subscription service, so you can, which it's like a few dollars a year, I want to say. I can't remember how much it is. I'll put it on the screen how much the subscription is, but you get free shipping all year. It's kind of like Amazon Prime basically, but it's cheaper I think than Amazon Prime if I remember right. But once you buy something, like say you buy a toothpaste and you don't want to forget to buy that toothpaste, so you can put it on a recurring subscription, so that way you can set it to every month, every 2 months, or every 3 months, however often you need it, and they'll just send it to you, you know, every so often, like whenever you set it to send. Does that, I just really over explained the point of a subscription. So just for myself, I don't really feel like I need many things on a subscription, but if you have kids or, you know, something where you're really busy and don't want to forget to buy, like they even have recycled trash bags, compost bags, toilet paper, like just anything, and you can set those on a subscription. That way you don't run out and you don't forget to buy them, and you don't have to leave your house to get toilet paper or whatever else you might need. Right, the first thing that I got was the Acure dry shampoo. This is rosemary and peppermint. Kind of can smell it through there. I'm almost out of my other dry shampoo, so I got another one, and I did not want one in an aerosol or, oh my gosh, those ones, I'm still angry at those. They're like spray dry shampoo, but they're not an aerosol. It's like a pump. They're just so bad. So I was happy to find one in this like shaker style, kind of like baby powder comes in. But I've never tried this brand at all. I've heard of them. I knew they exist, that they were cruelty free, but I haven't tried anything. So hopefully this is good. Which, I mean, it's dry shampoo. Like, how bad can it be? And we can always use some dish soap. So I went ahead and got this because this was like $2 and something. I don't know. They're probably phasing it out because of the plastic container. Okay, something. Oh, it was this. Like, this guy kind of got busted. But that's okay. I don't use it straight out of this. So this is a hand soap refill. So I had this in my last empties, and these come in a aluminum bottle. So once you empty it out, rinse it, and you can just throw it in your recycling bin because it's aluminum. And then I refill my old hand soap dispenser that I had from before. That way I don't have to keep buying plastic. Hope I can get that open. The top is like squished. Oh, that's where the powder, there's like powder all in the thing. This is where it came from. So I am desperately overdue to clean my bathtub, which is gross, I know, but it's the reality of living with ADHD. You don't think about that stuff until it's like, oh gosh, that's gross. This is the Bonami scratch-free powder cleanser. So this is basically like Comet, but cruelty-free and like natural. You can use this stuff like in your kitchen to clean the grout, or you can use it on like your pots and pans if you have stuff that's like baked or dried on. You can also use it in your bathroom to clean the tub and the shower and everything. I just feel like sometimes other like spray cleaner doesn't really get stuff that's like the soap scum and everything out of the shower, so this is good for that. I like our family uses Comet, and I use it sometimes if I don't have any, but I can't believe I'm saying this, but I want to try this because I really need to clean my bathroom. And sometimes they will have actually most of the time, I think they have a free gift if you order over a certain amount. They also do have a free gift when you sign up and you make an order. It's like, I think my first one I got a whole bunch of stuff like some laundry detergent and hand soap and a few other things. But the free gift this time was these laundry detergent packs. Laundry detergent packs. So I guess these are kind of like Tide Pods, and you just throw one in the laundry and good to go. Oh, this says 95% bio-based. I thought that meant that there was 95 in here. I was like, there's not 95 in there. There are, it says 8 loads, so I guess there's 8 packs in here. I normally wouldn't buy ones like this. I just get the liquid. They do have like a refill that comes in this kind of bag. It's just like a liquid in the bag, and you can refill your old container, or they have like new glass containers that you can get. Now that I'm thinking about it, these packs would be great for if you travel for like long periods of time where you'd have to wash your clothes. Because I used to travel for work a lot for like weeks and weeks at a time, and this would have been amazing to bring because I had to buy laundry detergent while I was away. I could have just thrown 1 or 2 of these in a Ziploc bag with a couple dryer sheets from home instead of having to buy like a whole new bottle of detergent. Just a few more things. So these, I was actually, I was gonna wait to order this until like the month, like my ship date. So they have like a set ship date each month, but you can also add stuff and ship it early. I think the minimum is a little bit higher if you want to ship it before your like month time period. But I went ahead and got it because the toothpaste that I use was, they had like 2 packs for the price of 1, so I went ahead and got it. So these are the Hello Activated Charcoal Toothpaste Tablets. These are my favorite tablets that I've tried so far. No plastic, it's all aluminum, and you can just use up the tablets and put this in the recycling. If you've never used a toothpaste tablet before, basically you just put it in your mouth and chew it up until it makes a paste. I usually do it with my front teeth. I feel like that's a little bit easier. And then just brush your teeth with it as you normally would with a regular toothpaste. And the formula of these is a lot better than some other ones that I've tried. These do not have baking soda and other ones do. And they, like baking soda makes it like foam and fizz in your mouth, and it's really off-putting. I was very happy to see that they had this now. So this is the Yes To Grapefruit Brightening Glow Boosting Daily Exfoliating Tonic. That's a lot of words. I feel like Yes To always has really long product names. This is an AHA and BHA all-in-one, which I need both of. I had one of these before. I'm actually almost done with it, so I went ahead and bought another one, and I don't know where I got that one from, but I can't find it again, and I'm glad that Grove had it because I usually get most products like this from Ulta, but Ulta doesn't have this particular product. They have some Yes To things, but not all of them. But I use this with my brand of cotton rounds, the reusable ones, and it just doesn't, this bottle kind of goes really fast, I feel like, in comparison to like the Pixie Glow Tonic or other ones like that. Maybe it's the pump thing on here, I don't know. I really like this. I kind of wish they had a bigger bottle. Maybe you could like refill this little pump thing. The last thing I got was some vitamins. So they do have vitamins and supplements, and I think protein powders and stuff like that too. They have a lot more than I thought. I don't know, I've said that like 5,000 times. But for the longest time I was very against taking supplements because I was like, they're a scam. You know, I mean, some of them are, okay? Some vitamins and supplements are a scam because you don't need that much of these vitamins and stuff. You just literally pee it out or poop it out or whatever. They don't actually do anything. But it is beneficial for anyone, but vegans as well, because I was like so hesitant to take vitamins because when I was a kid, I remember I would take vitamins like the Flintstone chewable ones, and I would be like sick in my stomach, or I wouldn't be hungry because I took a vitamin. So maybe I'll take these like before bed so they don't like make me not hungry for breakfast or whatever. But we need a vitamin D, especially from not going outside at all. And B12 is needed by vegans and non-vegans. So even if you do eat meat, you still need B12. So that's why, maybe that's why your brain's not like functioning right, because you need B12. But it is better for you if you take like the whole spectrum of the B vitamins. So take a multivitamin or a B complex. But I'm not a doctor, so you know, check with your doctor to see if they think you need vitamins. They can do like blood tests. I've had that before where I basically told them, I was like, hey, I'm vegan. You know, I just want to make sure that my B vitamin levels and everything is right, and it was at that point. But now I'm kind of eating like crap and hardly ever touch vegetables because I forget about them. I buy them, but I forget about them until they're rotten. So I need vitamins. Okay, so these are the Honu Me Time Women's Multivitamin. It says take 2 tablets. I think that's too much. So I'm just gonna take 1. Ooh, I didn't notice before that it had cranberry, which is especially helpful if you have female pipes. And it has these are vegan, they have a vegetarian coating. So you wanna watch for supplements that have, if you're vegan though, if you're not vegan then, you know, but watch for supplements that have gelatin. I almost say gluten, that's not right. Watch for ones that have gelatin because the little capsules will have a gelatin coating on them. And also some that have like fish oil. I don't think this one has omegas in it from what I just read quickly. But some multivitamins have fish because of the omega vitamins. Oh, well, it says right here, hello. Not manufactured with wheat, gluten, milk, egg, fish, or shellfish ingredients. So it does say it's produced in a facility that processes other things containing those ingredients. And this is very helpful as well. So it says it says it contains xylitol, which is harmful to pets. So you're gonna watch out for that. If you drop one, don't let your pet get it. I almost lost a birth control not too long ago because I dropped it on the floor and my cat was very interested. So this looked like it had everything that I possibly need. I mean, it's not gonna hurt you, I don't think, to take like an excess of vitamins, but it's just like a waste of money because these vitamins aren't cheap. That was everything that I got from Grove Collaborative. I have a link in the description. If you follow any of the links to these, I will get, I believe, $10 if you sign up. So let me know in the comments if you have also used a Grove Collaborative. Let me know what your favorites are. I think as of now, they only ship to the contiguous US, so that kind of stinks that you can get them like overseas or even in Canada or Alaska or Hawaii. Hopefully they can expand though. I'm pretty sure that's because of like all the liquids and things. Like I don't know if they can ship those overseas. Click over here to watch my most recent video or click over here to watch another one that I think you'll like, and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe so you don't miss seeing my face in your subscription box every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. Links to all these products, my social media, my business, and my blog will be in the description box below, and I will see you guys in the comments. Bye.